Alright guys, my name is Shervin. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can make money from crypto staking. Now, crypto staking is a new way to make money from your cryptocurrency where you allow someone to borrow your crypto for a specific amount of time, and in return, they pay you a generous interest rate. Now, this is pretty much the same way a bond works, where your money is tied up into a bond for a specific amount of time, and during that time, you're receiving interest rates from the person who borrowed your money. The only difference is that you do it with cryptocurrency instead of doing it with normal cash, and you actually get a much higher interest rate than you would from a bond. Now in this video, we're going to focus mostly on the crypto staking offered by the website crypto.com, as it is one of the most reliable crypto brokers that also offers crypto staking in the form of their crypto earn program. Now, of course, if you watch till the end of this video, you're going to find out exactly how you can go about staking your cryptocurrency on crypto.com, what interest rates you're going to get on your different crypto coins, and which are the best investment options available to you. Now, as always, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and smash the like button down below. It only takes you a second to do, but it helps me out a lot when it comes to other people finding my videos on YouTube. So I'd really appreciate your support if you just take the time and do it. But with all that said and out of the way, let's talk about how crypto staking works on crypto.com. Now, when it comes to staking your cryptocurrency with the earn feature on crypto.com, there are three options available to you. Now, the first option is to have a flexible term, meaning that you can withdraw your cryptocurrency anytime you want, and you can cash it at any point of your choosing. You don't have to commit for a certain period of time. You don't have to hold it in there for a certain amount of months or years. You can just withdraw at any point you want. Now, of course, the downside of this option is that you get the lowest interest rates possible. And really, if you're investing for the long term, it really doesn't make sense to go with this option, as you should be investing for the long term by holding your cryptocurrency for a long period of time. So really, it's better if you just go with one of the commitment options. Now, the second option, which has a higher interest rate compared to option number one, is to have a 1 month commitment period with your investment. Now that means that for 30 days, you're not allowed to touch any of the crypto that you have staked, and no matter what happens with the price of those cryptocurrencies, you're just not allowed to sell them. Now, even though this does limit you when it comes to having the option of selling off your assets, it's a much better option compared to number one if you're investing for the long term. But that said, by far the best option out of all of them is option number 3, which comes with 3 months of commitment and has the highest interest rates possible. Now, for example, when you stake Bitcoin with this feature with 3 months of commitment, you get 4.5% interest rate on your investment. Now, the best part about this is that when you get 4.5% interest on your Bitcoin, you actually receive that interest in the form of Bitcoin as well and not in cash. Now, this is a fantastic feature because it means that no matter how much the price of Bitcoin goes up or down, you will still receive 4.5% on top of what you already had in the form of Bitcoin. Now, for comparison, this is not the case with dividend stocks or dividend ETFs. For example, if you own a dividend stock that is worth $100 a share and it has a 4% dividend yield, you're essentially receiving $4 from each share that you own every single year in the form of dividends. Now, if the price of this dividend stock goes up to, let's say, $200 a share, you're still only going to get $4 every single year per share in the form of dividends. It's not going to go up to $8. But with crypto staking, on the other hand, you're always receiving 4.5% of the amount of Bitcoins that you have staked. Now, when it comes to Ethereum, the rates are a little bit higher and you're receiving 5.5% a year. But one of the best investment opportunities when it comes to crypto staking is with the USD coin. Now, if you don't know, the USD coin is a stable coin that is always worth $1. Think of it essentially as the same as the US dollars, but just in the form of cryptocurrency. Now, when you stake your USD coin with 3 months of commitment, you receive a staggering 10% interest rate. Now, 10% a year is higher than what a lot of dividend stocks out there can get you. And the best part about it is that because the USD coin is a stable coin, you're never in risk of actually losing anything. Now, this is because unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, which always have a risk of going down in value, the USD coin is always going to be worth $1. So let's run through those numbers one more time. With 3 months of commitment, you get 4.5% interest rate on any Bitcoin that you stake, you get 5.5% interest rate on any Ethereum that you stake, and you get 10% on any USD coin that you stake. Now, as if those aren't already really good returns on investment, there's actually a way where you can earn even more. Now, crypto.com actually gives out higher interest rates to customers who decide to invest certain amounts into the CRO coin, which is the cryptocurrency pioneered by crypto.com. Now, if you invest at least $4,000 into the CRO coin and hold that investment for at least 6 months, you will receive 6.5% interest rate on your Bitcoin, 6.5% interest rate on your Ethereum, and 12% on your USD coin stakings. Now, those are great interest rates for the Bitcoin and the Ethereum, but the crazy one here is the USD coin. Now, just to put this into perspective, the S&P 500 averages out at about 11% return on investment per year in the long term. That means that your USD coin investment with 12% interest rate is going to actually outperform the S&P 500, and it is going to do it consistently, as there's not going to be any ups and downs with the USD coin investment. Now, if you want to go absolutely crazy with the CRO investment and get the absolute highest interest rates possible, then you have that option too. This is because if you invest 40,000 US dollars into the CRO coin and hold it for at least 6 months, you're going to get 8.5% on your Bitcoin, 8.5% on your Ethereum, and 14% on your USD coin stakings. Now, it goes without saying that these are absolutely insane numbers, and it would be very hard to find other investments that pay out more. But where's the catch, you might ask? Well, the real catch here is the CRO coin. Now, even though the CRO coin is not the worst crypto coin in the world, and it definitely has the potential to grow in value over time because of how much Crypto.com is pushing it, it definitely is still a risky investment. So really, it comes down to whether or not you're willing to risk either 4,000 US dollars or 40,000 US dollars on getting these higher interest rates. Now, if you have a lot of investments into Bitcoin and Ethereum and the USD coin, and you want to get the highest interest rates on those possible, then it might be worth it for you to risk $4,000 or even $40,000, depending on how much you have in those crypto coins, to get the higher interest rates. But on the other hand, if you don't have that much invested into all these different coins and you don't really want to risk a lot of money on the CRO coin, then you can just stick to the free options and still get very good interest rates all the same. Alright, so that's about it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below and join the community. I make 3 new videos a week on personal finance and investing, and by subscribing to the channel, you get to see all my new videos right as it comes out. Also, if you have any questions about any of the stuff that we talked about today, make sure to let me know in the comment sections down below, where I always answer every single question that comes in. Alright, so that's about it, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers.